Now we're going to move to the content pages. I like to use the content pages to kind of expand what students are reading. This could be information that you pull in from other places and kind of tie it in with readings. This could be a place where you post video or share images and things that also tie in with the readings and help them understand what they're supposed to be understanding in the unit or the module. So you can also use content pages to post assignments and things, and I will show you that also. So I'm going to show you the content page, and I'm going to show you how to include maybe an image in there. I already showed you how to insert a YouTube video, so I won't go over that again, but I will show you how to insert an image. And then also when you're doing your content pages, this would be a good place to insert some of your classroom assessment techniques, where maybe you might want to stick in a quick formative assessment like a quiz or a survey or something. So let's go ahead and get started. I am going to just copy this information here just so I can paste it onto a content page. So I'll just copy it from here and paste it into Blackboard just so you kind of get an idea of the content page. And let's see, I'm going to open up Blackboard, and we are in our unit, and I will open up our unit. And there's our menu so far. Now we're going to add item, and we will add content page. Now you can label these content pages whatever you want to label them. I'm just going to do, I'll just do Unit 1 content, and then I'm going to paste what I had typed up in my Word document. I'll just paste it in the text box. Remember that is a Control V as in Victor to paste, and it drops your information in there. Remember up here you have options. This is where you would go in and you could add your YouTube video from here. I won't go over that again, but I will show you that you can add an image. So I will just go out to my desktop and grab an image. Let's see here. And when it pulls the image in, it'll drop it in, and it will give you the actual size of the image. So I am going to go to Advanced, and I am going to, go to Appearance and change the image to 500 pixels by 500 pixels. Or if you keep the constraint proportions checked, it will configure your image according to your first dimension. So I put in 500 pixels, and then it automatically configured the next dimension to 281. I think that this is width and then height. Okay, and then I'm going to insert and say OK here. And it takes my image and it drops it in there according to the proportions I asked it to put it in. So that's 500 pixels wide by 281 pixels high. Okay, the other thing I can do in here is I can insert a document if I want to write in this text. So if you want somebody to go in and read a certain document, you can just go ahead and insert it right in here. I will put this document in, and I will submit. Okay, and when I do that, it gives me the link to the document right in here. So this would be a good place so you could tell students and they could go in and they could access the document right from here. Again, you can do your YouTube videos. You can do flash files, you can run little movies and things. I would be careful of embedding media in here because that's a little bit tricky, and it makes your Blackboard pretty, it really increases the size of your Blackboard. Alright, so that is it with inserting content. I don't know if you noticed over here, when you're working with content pages or have a lot of content on a certain page, if you go to the right hand corner of your text box editor, there's a little icon with arrows pointing in 4 directions. That's your full screen icon. So if you click that, it opens up your text box full screen, and it gives you a whole lot more area to work here. And then when you're ready to submit your entry, just click that full text box icon again, and it brings it back to normal size, and you can submit from here. Okay, so this will give you your content page, and there it is, Unit 1 content, and as you scroll down it's going to look like this. So anything you add to this page will be available here.